freaking page here with no time to be sad. My grandson Riley over here. We're Team America today. Hey, today I want to talk to you guys about what we miss when we're away from home, either home in the US or home in Thailand. I get this question asked a lot from people, so I just want to tell you some of the things that I miss, some of the things that we had got to take back as well. But you know, the main thing that I miss while I'm overseas is I miss my family. You know, I miss my grandkids, I miss my kids, I miss my mom, my dad. I got to see both of them, my cousins, got to see some friends, had an awesome time with my grandkids and my kids while I'm here. But you know, they have busy lives and busy schedules. My grandson's going really fast right now, so anyway, that thing's loud. So, but you know, they have busy lives. They've got their routines. They've got school, work, kid functions. So, you know, I wouldn't really be able to spend a good quality of time with them if I lived here. My daughter lives in California. My two boys live in different parts of Texas. So, and then my dad lives in Florida with some cousins. Anyway, it's spread out, you know. So, you know, I miss that the most. But, you know, over there you can easily talk to them face to face on a computer now with technology. Is really awesome. So, another thing that I miss is I miss the food. I miss the food in the US. You know, I'm always in search for a good piece of quality beef. Or, you know, sometimes we miss the cravings of something that's easy and fast, like In-N-Out Burger or Whataburger, or stuff that we're familiar with. You know, I don't eat it all the time, and when I come home, I like to have it every now and then. When I lived here, I didn't eat it that much. But when you live here, you know, you have a place where you can cook your own food and store your own food. But when you're traveling, it's not that easy. You have to just kind of do what's available. And the quick food in the US is not good for you. So I can tell right now that, I don't know, the food just really sticks to you. There's a lot of preservatives and GMOs in the food, and it just wants to hang around, you know. But in Thailand, I miss my Thai food. I miss the fact that we have a good selection of vegetables and fiber that come with each meal, you know, so you get a good balance with fruit and all that stuff. So this is actually my third take with this video because it was so windy. My first attempt was with my gimbal. Okay, don't go too fast. To get really quality food, you just have to walk down the street normally to any market, and it was too much wind noise. So now I've got my GoPro 7 with my windsock on it. So I got to get back home on my bike. I miss that too. But you know, the food quality is a lot better, for me anyway, in the land of smiles versus here. But when I get here, I miss my, you know, Italian food, my quality beef, and just some of the simple eating pleasures in life, I guess. But not something that I would normally do all the time. Another thing that I miss is shopping. When we're home in Thailand, I miss, you know, if I want to go to the store and buy some accessories for my bike, or it's, you know, stuff that's hard to find, I can actually communicate to the guy that's working there. You know, that makes life easy too. And clothes that actually fit. You know, back in Thailand, it's difficult to find what you're looking for that actually fits you. So depending on where you live, but I don't live in Bangkok, so where I'm at, we just have to bring stuff back with us, or randomly on our trips we'll find something that fits, you know. But shopping in Thailand is easy too, especially for food. You can walk down the street and get a quality cooked meal for little to nothing. And you know, there's also lots of malls and places to shop in Thailand as well. But when I'm back home, I like to do a little shopping for some of those familiar items like certain kind of toothpaste or shaving cream, or inexpensive razors, or in shirts, shorts, sandals, shoes, stuff like that, that we always buy whenever we go back home. Usually electronics, camera gear, computers. I usually get that stuff while we're here because it's a better quality here in the US than over there in Thailand. So I miss my bathroom bum gun. I don't know why we don't have that here in the US. You know, it's like the paper. I don't know why I'm talking about this. I guess you just have to sometimes. The paper quality is like the paper that they use to wrap quality toilet paper, and it's uncomfortable. I don't understand why we don't have something that you can actually wash yourself and then use the paper to dry off, right? Like taking a shower, right? We don't shower with toilet paper. So anyway, I miss that. I guess the most I miss when I'm here in America, back in Thailand, is I miss the sense of freedom that I have, especially as a traveler. When I'm back in the US, I'm really just a traveler. It's difficult to travel around in the US sometimes, to rent a car, to get hotels, the cost of things, eating out all the time. He's stuck. And in Thailand, it's a little bit easier to do that, and everybody seems to be happy. People are happy here too. It's just, I can't explain it. It's just the feeling that I get when I travel is a little easier in Thailand than it is for me in my own country. So, but that's it. Gotta get ready to go here soon, back home on our long journey. Looking forward to getting back home. Not looking forward to sitting on the airplane, huh?
No.
We got our snacks. Hopefully we get some good sleep.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do another round?
What?
Just kidding. I made her come around the block with me a couple times, so to redo this video. Anyway, guys, thank you for coming along with us on this wonderful trip, and we will see you guys at the airport. Okay? Bye. My beautiful daughter, her awesome husband. A lot of people told me to say thank you for your service, but I don't think they realize that my daughter also is in the service. So we thank you both. He's been in almost 20 and we are 11 now, right? And that's my awesome superhero team Team America. Okay, guys, bye. Say bye, Riley. Say bye-bye. Bye. See you later. Let's try this. I taught him a new word. How do you say tree in Thai language? Very good. How do you say tasty? No, remember, tasty. Aloy mak. How do you say hello? I love you too. Sawadee khap. Okay, all right, guys. See you next time.